Hey Freedom Gorillas, we have a CZ P10 here and a CH CZ HoloK plate. We're going to be installing a HoloSun on it. Now this plate system does use T-nuts. These T-nuts from a customer service standpoint do confuse quite a bit of people. We get asked a ton every week about how to install this plate, and some people do mess it up. So today we're going to cover how to install this step by step. That way you can get to using your red dot as quick as possible. So the first step we're going to do here is take off the existing slide cover that is on the slide. So now we have that slide cover off and we are ready to install this. Now I am going to over explain this again. We get hit up a ton about these T-nuts, and from basically what we're seeing is people are installing the plate to the slide. They're not installing the T-nuts on it. And then when they go to install the red dot to the plate, they are using the screws, putting it in there. And obviously the screws aren't going to catch on anything because the T-nuts aren't there. So people are thinking that they got a defective plate, that the holes aren't threaded, or that they stripped the screws. And that's not the case at all. You literally just have to make sure that you install the T-nuts, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So before we put the plate on the slide, you're going to get the T-nuts. You're going to put them into the holes here on the plate. And then we will take this and put it on the plate as such. And now the plate is on the slide and ready to be tightened down. Okay, so now the plate is installed on the slide. You can see the T-nuts pointing up here. That way when we get the optic and we're able to put it on the plate, we now have something for the screws to thread onto. And there we have it. The plate is on the slide, the optic is on the plate, nothing is moving, and we are good to get this thing zeroed in. So not that hard to install, it only takes a couple of minutes. If you do have questions about the T-nuts though, you're still confused, hit us up at freedomgorilla.com. We'll be able to take care of you. Thanks for watching, Freedom Gorillas.